Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we got an exciting new install. This is going to be the AOOA Racing Brake Caliper Covers. I always wanted to do a big brake kit on the Acura RDX, and any car I've owned, this is an easy way to do it without spending $8,000. The brakes are already so good on this car, and I've never had an issue with them, so I thought this would be an awesome idea. And this company, AOOA Racing, sent out some brake caliper covers for me. So we got some plain red ones, which are actually powder coated, so they're really nice quality, and they look like real big brakes. So definitely recommend you guys to check these out, but we're going to be installing them today. I ended up putting the Acura logo on these myself. I got a little decal on Etsy and put them on there with black spray paint. But I am really impressed with how these are packaged. They have really nice packaging. These calipers came in these really nice bags and with some tools and instructions and everything. So let's get right into the video. So to start it off, we're gonna have to take off the wheels of the car. We just lifted it up. We are very cautious with jacking this car up because I've never done it before on this one. It's a really heavy car, and the springs extend so far, so you kind of have to lift it almost to the top of this jack just to get some clearance for the tire. But yeah, once we got it lifted high enough, we're gonna get our impact drill, take out the lug nuts, and remove this tire. So pretty easy process. And here is our original brake without the cover on there. We're gonna make it look a whole lot better. And then here is our first Acura brake caliper cover that we're gonna be putting on. You guys are gonna have to take off the top nut, that little metal piece and the nut, so that you can put the brake caliper cover on and then put that little piece back on to hold it into place. So we'll be doing that in just a second here to show you guys once we're able to get this nut off. But yeah, so once you get it off, you're gonna put that top piece right back on, and it's gonna clamp onto that brake caliper, and then you're gonna use your tools to hold one side and then tighten that top piece right back on, and that way you're basically tighten it onto the caliper. It took us a second to get this perfectly seated, but it's because it fits perfectly in order for it to stay on there. So, and now after all that tightening, you guys can see the end result. Very tight right there, all the way completely clamped together. That's the way you want it. And now we're gonna put our wheel back on, and this thing is gonna look absolutely amazing. All right, we got the wheel pushed back on. We're just gonna have to put those lug nuts back in there. And yeah, looks like we got a big brake on the driver's side front wheel now. So this is the passenger back wheel. We did the driver's side back wheel first off the camera so we could figure out how to do it. It's the same exact process, very easy. This one actually seats a little bit easier, but you gotta make sure it's in the right spot. So let's see what it looks like underneath for you guys to see. Basically the metal piece goes on the bottom right there, holds it right there, and look, it says RDX. So we got the right ones, and then perfectly fitting all the way to the top. And we're gonna take that top piece that we took off and tighten it like last time, so it seats perfectly. And we tightened that all up, and it turned out looking awesome. Put the wheel back on, even got the front one on right here, and look how cool that one looks. And here I am putting the last wheel back on after that process. Only took us like 20 minutes. So very happy with how it turned out. And then here on the AOOA website, I'm gonna have a link in the description and comment section down below. But we have all the different Acura RDX calipers and colors. Look how many colors they have. They have like 15 or something colors on there, but looks pretty cool. Kind of like this purple one too. But if you guys add this to your cart, and then go to checkout. If you guys use code REVOLVE, just type in REVOLVE and hit apply, and you guys get $20 off your purchase. So pretty cool. Thanks to AOOA for working with me and actually getting you guys that discount code. That was really cool of them. But yeah, this is how the brakes look like in the end. This is fully installed and very easy install. Look like a brand new big brake kit. But yeah, you get that little nice pop of color under your wheels. Definitely think it's worth it. Hope you guys check it out. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like on this one and make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on some more car videos. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.